I'm Gretchen Pianka. I'm a writer, a pediatrician, and a mom, not necessarily in that order. Changes all the time. And I'm here to share different parenting strategies, tips, and tools that can help you raise children who are resilient. Resilience is one of those things that's not set in stone. It can change over time. You can foster it, you can develop it. It helps to offset the long-term impact of any adversity that your child or your family experiences. We know that our children are very dependent on us for the sense of safety that they need to have in order to endure adversity and not have it land in a traumatic way and have lifelong consequences. So as parents, this can feel really stressful. We have to get everything right out of the gate, and if something hasn't gone well, then we could have damaged our children and ruined them for life, and we can totally stress ourselves out about it. But one thing that I want to mention today is the importance of repairing. So if you have done any marriage counseling or your own counseling as an adult, you may have talked about this or learned about this in a different setting, but repairs are really important. So we are not always going to get things right with our kids, believe it or not. In fact, part of that process of establishing a sense of safety with our kids is to allow things to go haywire and then to fix it later and talk about it later. So remember, you don't have to get it all right out of the gate. It's okay when things go wonky. In fact, you can use those situations where something doesn't go well with your child. Maybe you completely misinterpret what they were trying to say or what they needed, and maybe they get angry, or maybe you get angry. Coming back to them later and saying, you know what, that didn't go very well before. Do you want to talk about it? Or maybe we can have a do-over? Or do you want to tell me again what it was that you were trying to express? I think I just kind of got upset and I couldn't hear after a certain point. So when you do that, you're modeling it for them, so they will learn how to do that as they grow up with all the different interactions they have with people. And you're also helping to establish that essential sense of safety for the kids.